Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, on this note, we are proceeding towards a very, very historic moment where we will see our company listed on the stock exchanges of the country. It's time for me now to invite the dignitaries on stage to doing the bell ringing ceremony, which is a very, very iconic moment for us. So please help me in welcoming the following dignitaries. Mr. Jayesh Tawari, Mr. Vijay Kedia, Mr. Nikhil Shah, Mr. Neville Savjani, Mr. Ankit Kedia, our board of directors, I welcome you on stage. Mr. William May, TAC 1 team, Mr. Trishneet Arora and his family, Mr. Saransh Rawat, Mr. Anuj Kulkarni, Mr. Altaf Halde, Mr. Iqbal Singha, Mr. Hitesh Arora, Ms. Shivani Arora, Ms. Trishila Agrahari, Ms. Neha Rana, Mr. Indraneel, Ms. Bhairavi Mehta, Mr. Ranvijay Singha, Mr. Harman Singha, Mr. Shlok Panchal, and Mr. Sohail. Please come on stage so we can proceed for the bell ringing. Yes, please come on stage. Please proceed. Yes, I said the family, so the whole family, please. Ladies and gentlemen, also let me tell you that just 10 seconds before we'll be having the customary countdown and be opening it with a big bang. Yes, please proceed. Please proceed, sir. Please. If you can move that side. If you can move that side, please.
No, this is also first time. Oh. That obviously been, but yeah, he must have.
7, 6, come on, together. 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. This is indeed a very, very proud moment. Let me tell you, the issue price was rupees 106 and the opening prize is more than 300. So let's have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Hearty, hearty congratulations. Thank you. Yes, I request all the guests to please take in your seats, the dignitaries to please take in your seats.
Congratulations, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I request Mr. Ankit Kedia to please be on stage. Yes. I'll tell you. Yes, I request, yes. Please. Post this photo session, I request all the guests to please proceed towards the seats as we'll be continuing with the ceremony.